Use my everyday knife. And this knife sharpening kit, it tells me to keep this a 1/4 inch, the clamp to the edge of the blade. You got this to tighten it down, and this one just a little bit more. Then you take the stone. I prefer this one. Alright, now I'm going to take this stone here, and this, there's this threaded piece of rod, I guess. I'm going to put it in the outside slots. That's for outdoor knives. This one's for like your high quality knives, kitchen knives and things like that. Since this is a outdoor knife, see, it's camouflaged, I'm going to use the outside degree. Take some honing oil, put 3 drops on or so, 2. Go ahead, slide that in there, and basically just work your knife back and forth. I know there's other ways to do this. You have those electric ones. You can actually use a flat stone and just freehand it. I like doing this. It takes a little bit more time, and kind of relaxes me a little bit. So, I usually go back and forth, maybe I'll say 5 times. I'll go back to the other side, do the same thing. I'll do that 4 times, twice per side. My dad used to do his knife sharpening on a flat stone, free-handed. You know, spit on the stone and go to town on it, you know. It got to the point, you see this little groove on this knife? Got to the point he sharpened it so much that just that the bottom of the blade, the sharp part of the blade, was right there. He had that knife a long time. Alright, now I'm going to check this. Oh yeah. I'm going to leave it. Took a leather belt, nailed it to a 2x2. Now I'm going to take some of this honing oil, maybe just put a few drops on. Then go ahead and strop your knife blade. Go back and forth. Do this a few times. You don't have to go fast. All you're doing is just getting rid of those burrs from sharpening. You don't have to do it hard. Just do it real light. I know when my dad sharpens his knives, he'll actually take his belt off, flip it around, put the end of the belt through the buckle, so it's basically upside down so you don't ruin the outside of the belt. Put that loop around his foot, and you pull it tight, and you sit there and go like this. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with doing it the way this technique either. Just something to, I don't know, slow you down a little bit, relax you. Like I said, don't have to push real hard. Just basically the weight of the knife. That feels nice. A lot better than what it was. A friend of mine told me, oh, my voice just cracked. A friend of mine told me that if you got a good edge on your knife, you can take it along your fingernail. If it slides, it's not sharp. Kind of like this, if it slides back and forth. If it catches, you know you got a good edge on it. I don't know how everyone else sharpens their knives, but this is how I do it. It's a good way. You have your jig like this. Can't go wrong with a jig, I guess. It's always in the same spot on every knife. Well, depending on where you put it in the clamp. Use the same stone all the time. So yeah, go out and buy yourself a jig. Makes life a little bit easier. So is drinking a beer. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to comment down below. If you want to subscribe, I think it's either there or there. One of the two. So to keep up with tradition, I got another joke. The other day, my son and I went golfing. I said to him, let's make this interesting. He likes golf, I really don't. I said, let's make this interesting. So I quit. I don't like golf. Yeah. Enjoy the little things.